Bam. Yeah man, go buy chicken. Tell man about man. Every time man about man too. Till me find $100. Yeah. I am from the future. Future, you are from the past. Just listen to me. See that 100 that I just found? Down, drop it back on the ground. The man and the money is going to box you straight to the ground. I am from the future. For which money? You see man from the money? Oh, he may attack. You go along the man are dead. It's about man for money. You can box me down. You hear that, brother? You hear that, dog? Which man for money? Which man can box me down? You must listen to me. You are in a serious and dangerous danger. Listen to me. The man is still he is not alive, but his spirit is going to box you down. Can't say I never warn you. Alright. Diggy that boy to come and talk about. Diggy that boy to come and talk about man you. Come on you what? Diggy that boy to come and talk about man you. Diggy that boy to that. Come and talk about no fit here, brother. On the man for box me down, man and man dead, brother. Man for box me down. Man for box me down. I warn you. So anything that happens to you, I don't care. I'm going back to the future. Can't say I never warn you. Biggie that boy. Who box me?
The man on the money.
Man on which money?
Turned around the money, damn head.
Nothing, no man. Nothing.
That man has haunted everyone who took his money. Over 50 years now he died. Hey boy, put down the money. Put it up.
Yeah, over here, man. Over here, man.
What's that?
Just find $100 over here, man. Just find $100 up the road over here, man. Find $100
with my young son. I've already know what happened. You're talking about the duppy that possessed your soul.
Yeah, and the $100, he passed me down. He lead me over.
That is not all. He's coming for you.
Yeah?
You have to pay me 70,000. I'll let you go away.
Woman and the money.
Okay. You will find it by next year.
Some curse?
Yes, you're cursed, my son. And it's one way to break that spell.
I hope to pay you.
It's only me.
I can't pay you.
Where is that money?
It's up the road.
Up the road?
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
Yeah. See money there, over there, man. See money there. See money before you touch it. See there.
This is the money.
Yeah. Wait. So now I'm to you.
I'm very powerful. You are the one playing with people, huh? You like to play games. I know your tricks. Don't play. No, say Ascalaba.
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 Hold it.
Hold it. Wait. Over there, man. But still have to pay you.
Yes.
Well,
if you don't pay me, I will send back the curse.